Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I had my car door handle started separating, and just a quick fix with some military grade cable ties. I actually got told it would be over $500 to replace the door handle, and just by taking some military grade cable ties, pulled them down here, tightened them real tight, and then cut off the end. And you just want to make sure it's not sharp there. You can take a file and file down the edges. I have one on my Leatherman. Today I'm filming this on the S25 Plus Samsung. And anyway, that fixed the door. And now I'm not going to lose the door or anything, as this was constantly separated and pulling out. Hadn't completely cracked off. But you can use one cable tie or two, three, however many you want. Kind of make a design out of it and damage the door or anything. There it is. And again, just use a file or something to make sure you don't have any sharp edges. But now I can reach in and everything does what it should. And no harm, no foul. I think it's like maybe 50-cent repair versus a $500 repair. And you can make a little design of it however you want to. And if one breaks, you can replace it. So easy enough. Nice, easy deal. And maybe I'll show you on the other side. Let's see. This one it's not separated at all like the other one was, but it was starting to come apart and making the button hard to push. So I just took one of the military grade cable ties, wrapped it through, and tightened it around. I'm not going to do this one again, and just pulled it through, pulled it taut, cut it off, and then use a file on the cutoff thing to make sure it's not sharp. This one wasn't sharp, so no big deal, but a nice easy fix for a car door that started to separate. Let's see if I can show you what was going on. It's actually pulled together pretty good now. Oh, there it is. Okay, you see? It's pulled apart like that. And but I can clip it back together. And then I just use these to hold it. And it's all fixed. Done deal. I'll save my $500. Done deal. And here's what it looks like. I think it actually makes a little bit of a design. So, yep, done deal.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. Said it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Jesus sent the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?